Hello, I'm local Japanese. Today, I'll talk about 12 must-buy items in SERIA 100 yen shop in Japan. 100 yen is about 67 cents, and you can buy many products for 100 yen. Amazing! There are so many SERIA shops in Japan, and in the store, there are over 20,000 items including stationery, daily items, toys, etc. If you like shopping, SERIA is very exciting place for you. And I pick up 12 items. Let's dive in. Number 1. Origami paper. SERIA's origami paper is highly appreciated for its vibrant colors, diverse patterns, and high-quality texture. The paper is ideal for creating intricate origami designs, offering a smooth surface that folds easily without tearing. It comes in a variety of sizes and designs, including solid colors, pastel shades, and patterned options like floral or geometric prints, giving crafters plenty of choices for their projects. If you have a kid, it's must item. And for souvenir, it's also a good item, I think. Number 2. Sanrio products. Sanrio collaboration products are a delightful blend of practicality and cuteness, making them a favorite for fans of Sanrio characters like Hello Kitty, My Melody, and Cinnamon Roll. From stationery to kitchenware, storage solutions, and accessories, each item reflects the whimsical and cheerful world of Sanrio. SERIA's Sanrio collaboration items bring joy and a sense of playfulness to everyday essentials. Very cute item, so highly recommended. Number 3. Travel items. There are some useful travel items in SERIA, including them. At first, portable slippers are practical and convenient. Designed for easy, lightweight, and compact, they can be folded or rolled up to fit in a bag, making them perfect for travel, especially for long flight. And compression bag is also useful. These bags help save space by reducing the volume of clothes and other items, allowing you to pack more in your suitcase. You can buy many things during your trip and then you can't close the suitcase. It's common, and this item is perfect solution for you. These items are useful and reasonable, so highly recommended. Number 4. Laundry nets. SERIA's laundry nets are a popular and practical solution for keeping your clothes safe during washing. Made from durable and pressable mesh fabric, these nets help protect delicate items such as lingerie, hosiery, or sweaters from damage caused by friction or snagging in the washing machine. Available in various sizes, colors, and patterns, these nets are also great for organizing smaller items, preventing them from getting lost or tangled with other clothes. It makes your washing more comfortable, so highly recommended. Number 5. Onsen Tamago Maker. SERIA's Onsen Tamago Maker is a convenient and easy to use tool for creating the perfect soft-boiled eggs or onsen tamago, just like those served in Japanese hot springs. With this device, you can effortlessly achieve the ideal texture, creamy, smooth egg whites and a runny yolk, without the need for complex cooking techniques. Its compact size makes it perfect for home kitchens, and it's an affordable way to enjoy this popular Japanese dish anytime. You can enjoy unique but delicious meal very easily, so highly recommended. Number 6. Chopsticks. SERIA chopsticks are highly regarded for their combination of affordability, variety, and design. They offer a wide range of styles, from simple and elegant wooden chopsticks to colorful, fun, and seamed options that reflect different tastes. Made from durable materials like bamboo, wood, or plastic, they are designed to be both comfortable to use and long-lasting. It's very good item for souvenir as well. It's stylish and Japanese good item, so highly recommend it. Number 7. Kayaori Fukin. The Kayaori Fukin is a highly popular and versatile dishcloth known for its excellent absorbency and durability. Made from 100% rayon, this cloth features a traditional kayaori weaving pattern which enhances its strength and softness, making it gentle on surfaces while being effective at cleaning. Its lightweight and quick-drying nature ensures that it remains hygienic and ready for use in kitchens. It's good quality and reasonable. Also, you can select from many patterns like Japanese, simple pattern, etc. So, highly recommend it. Number 8. Stationery. SERIA offers a wide variety of stationery products that are both functional and stylish. You can find everything from pens, notebooks, and desk organizers to decorative items. My recommendation is ballpoint pen. You can get 5 ballpoint pens for 100 yen. Simply very reasonable, I think. You can enjoy selecting your favorite stationery here, so highly recommend it. Number 9. Cutting board that doubles as a plate. SERIA's cutting board that doubles as a plate is a clever and versatile kitchen essential. Made from durable and easy to clean materials, it features a flat, sturdy surface that is perfect for both food preparation and serving. Its lightweight nature makes it easy to handle, while its compact size is ideal for small kitchens or for use during gatherings. You can cut down on dishwashing through this item, so highly recommend it. Number 10. Toothbrush holder. Toothbrush holder is a practical and stylish solution for organizing your bathroom. Made from durable materials, it is designed to keep your toothbrushes neat, dry, and easily accessible. The holder's compact size allows it to fit in small spaces, making it ideal for both individual and shared bathrooms. Its simple, clean design complements various bathroom styles, while the sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use. It's very useful and stylish, so highly recommend it. Number 11. Nail clippers. SERIA's nail clippers are known for their sharpness, precision, and ergonomic design. They are crafted with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and a smooth cutting experience. The compact size makes them convenient to carry in a bag or store at home, offering a reliable tool for maintaining neat nails anytime. It's good quality for daily use. Please try it. Number 12. Sponge holder. SERIA's sponge holder is a highly practical and efficient kitchen accessory. It is designed to keep sponges organized and dry, preventing them from sitting in water and becoming slimy or smelly. Its compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens, while its simple, minimalist design allows it to blend seamlessly with various kitchen styles. It's very useful for your daily life, so highly recommend it. Okay, that's the end of my video. I'm glad that you enjoy my video, and also I'm very glad that you like and subscribe. Comment is also welcome. I hope you'll have a great Japan trip. Thanks.